Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility, device, carrier plan, and SIM. Once done, update your phone OS and restart. Now open settings and go to cellular or mobile data. Make sure the SIM is active. Next, enter mobile data options or cellular data options to access voice and data settings. You want to be in a location with 5G signal, otherwise the phone will stay on LTE. Take these first actions deliberately to avoid wasted steps later. You now take the detailed steps to activate 5G. Open voice and data and pick 5G auto for balanced battery use or 5G on for maximum speed. Then adjust cellular data options. Choose allow more data on 5G for better streaming and app performance. Make sure carrier settings are current. If prompted, install them. If your device offers 5G standalone versus non-standalone options, understand standalone gives lower latency. Once configured, finish by verifying that the 5G icon appears in the status bar and run a speed test to confirm throughput and latency improvements. You should monitor battery impact. Make adjustments between 5G auto and 5G on depending on your needs. If the phone won't show 5G, try toggling airplane mode for 10 seconds, then reboot. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset network settings only if other steps fail, and contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and tower availability before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.